Hey YouTube, my name is Alexis. This is my very first YouTube video. My first video will consist of an apartment tour, nowhere near finished. This is will be an unfinished apartment tour. Look forward to some more videos once I start getting things around in order. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. Tell me things that you think I should add. And that's it. Bye guys, see you in the next part of the video. Okay guys, this is the start of it. This is when you first walk in. Like I said, not too much done here. Couch, got this from Art Van. This nice pillow and throw. Pillow came from Home Goods. Throw, Art Van. Ottoman, of course that's Art Van too. Here's my console in which my TV sits on. This console also came from Art Van. Flowers, Dollar Tree. Vase, Dollar Tree. Candles, I love candles. Bath and Body Works. Got this nice speaker that kind of matches everything from Big Lots. Another candle from Bath and Body Works. Picture of me. I'm a Clark Atlanta alumni. This was homecoming last year. My favorite part. This is my bar cart. This is actually inspired by another YouTuber. I think her name is Chanel. I got this picture here for like $4 off of Etsy. Printed it out. Flowers I got off Amazon. The vase was something my mom had already at home. Just got some little marbles from, I believe I got the, yeah, Dollar Tree too, as well. This decanter, which is usually always filled. It's not filled for the video. But I got this from Z Gallery. These two pretty martini glasses, which like I said before, was inspired. This whole set was inspired by Chanel on YouTube. I got those martini glasses for like $20 from Amazon. And then I just got like some Voss waters down there, peppermints. There was a third bottle of wine in there, but I needed some wine the other day, and I didn't feel like going to the store, so yeah, that's gone. This wall here, you probably can't tell, but it's painted like a light blue gray color. You can tell right here because this wall is still white. It's just like an accent wall. I think I want to go over it with another coat because, yeah, I don't think it's dark enough. Then I'll show you guys my bathroom. See my glass of wine there. Love red wine, love Chardonnay, love red wine. This nice shower curtain came from Home Goods. Mostly everything I got came from Home Goods or Marshalls, something like that. Pretty empty. But I got this little thing here. I thought it was so cute and fit so perfectly. I got this from Marshalls for all my supplies because I went natural maybe a year ago, so I have to have like my products for my natural hair and products for my weave. Well, wigs. I make wigs, by the way. These pink little rugs came from Home Goods. So did the towels and the trash can. This little pink thing here, this came from Target. I really liked it. I thought it went so perfectly and it was so cute for this little space underneath my sink. Love candles, like I said once before. These things came from Home Goods as well, matched the garbage can. Then I have this little soap dispenser from Bath and Body Works. Gotta have the wallflowers, of course. This thing here in my toilet was actually inspired by Chanel as well. I'm gonna turn off the light so you guys could see. Oh, it's not dark enough. Hold on, 1 second. Oh, my flash is on, that's what it is. Okay, well, nope. And then over here is my bedroom. Love this bed. Nowhere near finished in here, bare walls. But I had my dad paint this wall as well. You can see this one really good. The throw came from Marshalls. this nice comforter, guys. Let me tell you, I spent $39.99 on this comforter. It was regular $95, so it feels amazing. Pillows. These two small ones right here, I got these from home. Actually, my mom had them, took them. She never uses them. The pink pillows, I got these two. This one and this one from, I want to say, Marshall's. Yeah, Marshall's. I got those from Marshall's. Got this furry one here from Marshall's. It's a Vince Camuto pillow. And then the other furry one over here, I got this at Art Van when I got my furniture. Thought it was really cute, shiny. Kate Spade sheets. Got these from Marshall's. Love them. These were on $39.99 and they feel amazing. Bed set came from Art Van. My mom has the Art Van credit card, so we love Art Van. DW Home candles, Marshalls. Like I said, most of my things came from Marshalls. I don't know why that candle specifically burnt out like that. Art Van on sale for $10. I said it matches my decor. Why not? There's actually supposed to be a glass sitting here, but it broke when I moved my furniture, so definitely gonna add that back. They have to resend me the screws. If you can see right there, the screws broke. So that'll be in my updated apartment tour, of course. Over to this side, I got this A here from Home Goods. This watch holder. Reason why it doesn't have any watches because I had my vehicle stolen and my watches were in there. But this came from my mom actually as a Christmas gift. A little makeup thing. Got this from Amazon. This vase here, I stole it from my grandma's. She wasn't using it and it matched my decor once again, so I took it from her. Flowers, those came from Amazon. They actually match the ones out there on the bar cart. They're just a different color. So let's see. Okay. Then here, I got this thing here. I think it's so pretty. Dream Big. Got this from Home Goods. Got a couple of flowers from Dollar Tree. Balling on a budget, ladies. Always ball on a budget. Got that for $1 at Dollar Tree. I thought this was so pretty. I thought it matched so perfectly to my decor. Believe, #Believe. I got this at Home Goods. It was really cheap. I think about $7. And then there's me. Like I said, I'm a Clark Atlanta alumni. So that is why that picture's there. My closet is really big and I don't have that much stuff, so my little wig heads, shoes, and I didn't put my shoes in here. I don't know why actually, but I just put like my hats from the D, Motor City, Clark Atlanta alumni. Once again, the old teddy bear, purses, cords. And then I just keep all of my boxes for my iPhones and my MacBook and my iPad. As you can see, nothing major. Then I just keep my robe hung up right here on the back of the door. It's a pretty big closet. But like I said, I'm not really done yet. I have so much I want to do to the walls. I want to put something here. See, it's a lot of space right there. But I think it's so cute and spacious. This room is huge. So I have a lot of work to do. But and like I said, I'm not done. My dining room is nowhere near finished. My chairs come tomorrow. So I have a lot to do for space. But this is my favorite thing here. I love it, love it, love it. So tell me guys what you think. Give me some ideas for inspo. So wall art. Where do you get your wall art? And things like that. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.